We often take our car's AC for granted, but the truth is cool air is not just another feature, it's a necessity right now as we continue to experience temperatures reaching over 100 degrees. Local mechanics are now seeing an increase in AC repairs. KRBC's Miriam Chamberlain spoke with one shop who says they're having to turn away people due to the demand.
That very first week, a month and a half ago, when it hit 100, everyone wanted their AC fixed.
Local mechanic shops like My Mechanic of Abilene are seeing an increase in labor.
We're receiving probably an 80% increase in phone calls. We're booked up for about 2 weeks, week and a half.
Assistant manager Brody Clark says, unfortunately, when it gets hot outside, the AC compressors put extra strain on the AC board, leaving cars struggling to keep up.
They made it through the winter without their AC because it was feeling pretty good. You could ride with your windows down, but now that it's 120 in your car, it's unbearable.
Using an AC compressor machine, Father Lupe and son Joe Cardona show how they're able to detect and fix any problems.
This was to be high and this was to be low, and then that'll tell you got AC problem.
Lupe says most customers don't know cars take a little longer to cool off during extreme heat, but having your windows down can cool it quicker.
Roll the windows down, crank it up to about number 2 speed, drive it down the road, let that heat get out, and then you can roll the windows back up, and then you can turn off your AC, and your AC will work a whole lot better.
And making sure that your AC is actually turned on before requesting service.
We got plenty of work to do out here. These guys are sweating every day trying to make sure our customers can get cool and back out there on the road and make sure they're driving comfortably.
In Abilene, Miriam Chamberlain, KRBC, Abilene's local news.
Thank you, Miriam. Clark says, as with everything else, costs for auto mechanics are also going up. The cost of Freon now averaging around $299. A year ago, it was only $99 for 30 pounds.